In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Pledge Revive It Floor Gloss as a clear coat for plastic models. This stuff used to be called Future or Clear, but now it's branded under Pledge Revive It Floor Gloss. It's the same stuff, same formula, I'm pretty sure, but it's for floors. But a lot of people have trouble using this stuff. But I'm just going to airbrush it on and show you how it's done. Now, this stuff is really good at clear coats, and it's cheap. This whole bottle is like $6 at Walmart. So you get 27 fluid ounces for $6, as if you bought regular clear coat for models, you get like maybe quarter ounce for $4 or something. I'm not really sure. I don't buy really clear coats for models. I use this stuff and varnish for like art varnish. You can buy like Hobby Lobby or whatever. Here's a floor gloss right here. You do not have to mix this with anything. You can put it straight in the airbrush. This is the airbrush I use. This is a cheap airbrush. Make sure it's on 15 psi. That's what you want to spray this Pledge at. You want to stay about 6 to 8 inches away and spray it until it gets, can you see the shine to it? You do not want to flood it. You just want to stay about 6 to 8 inches away and spray like a mist on it and just build up coats. You want to do maybe 2 to 4 coats, which whenever you want. The more you spray, the more glossier it become. But after like 4, it really don't become any more glossier. Just gets layers up. And also take a blow dryer in between coats and blow dry it. I use the low set on the cool. I don't use the heat, just the cool. And I'll make it tacky so I can spray another coat without waiting 25 to 40 minutes in between coats. It looks the exact same while using the hair dryer, so it does work. What it looks like after it's done, as you can see, it's pretty shiny. The bed looks like. I mean, it's not perfect, and I probably wouldn't use this on like a show car or nothing like that, but just for like your average modeler, this works perfectly. There's a little orange peel, but that is not the floor gloss. That is the paint under this. I sprayed it at like too high pressure and made like an orange peel like texture to it. That was all my fault. That's not the Pledge's fault. But that's what it looks like. It's pretty cool. You can take this. This is a dryer sheet that's been in the dryer. And you can buff this with this. You just rub it on it. And the more you buff it out like a regular paint job, but you use this instead of like sandpaper or anything. You just buff it. And become more shinier. But you can use by just using this dryer sheet. You can get it real shine, real brighter shine by just buffing it out. But that's all there is to it. I don't know if you can see, but that side did get a little bit more shinier than the other side here. Just by buffing it out. You can also apply like a wax to this, like a turtle wax or a car wax, anything like that. You can apply it to this. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped you.